The CyberRack E2 Hitch 2 bike rack stands out as a formidable contender in the market for bike racks designed for both traditional bicycles and electric bikes. With the increasing popularity of e-bikes, the need for a secure, reliable, and user-friendly bike rack has never been more essential. The CyberRack E2 aims to meet this demand, providing features that cater to various user needs while ensuring safety and durability. One of the first aspects to note about the CyberRack E2 is its robust construction. Made with high-grade steel and a powder-coated finish, the rack boasts excellent corrosion resistance and durability, which is crucial for outdoor use. The design accommodates a weight capacity of up to 120 pounds, making it capable of handling 2 e-bikes comfortably. This is particularly impressive given that many standard bike racks often struggle with the heavier weights that e-bikes can bring. Users can rest easy knowing that their bikes are securely held in place during transit. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the adjustable mounting system that fits a variety of hitch sizes, 2-inch and 25-inch. Users can easily attach and detach the rack with minimal tools required, which is a significant advantage for those who may not be mechanically inclined. The rack's hitch pin is designed to minimize wobbling, ensuring a stable ride without the annoying rattles often associated with bike racks. One of the standout features of the CyberRack E2 is its innovative loading ramp. This ramp facilitates an easier loading experience, especially for heavier e-bikes. It's designed with practicality in mind, allowing users to roll their bikes up onto the rack instead of having to lift them manually. This feature is a game-changer for individuals who may have mobility issues or just prefer a less strenuous loading process. The ramp itself is sturdy and securely locks into place, ensuring that it won't slide or detach during use. Safety is a priority with the CyberRack E2. The rack comes equipped with adjustable wheel holders and frame clamps that can accommodate a variety of bike sizes and frame styles. The rubberized cradles protect the bike frames from scratches and damage during transit, which is a thoughtful touch that many bike owners will appreciate. Additionally, the rack includes safety straps, providing extra security for your bikes while you're on the road. Another notable feature is the rack's tilting mechanism, which allows for easy access to the rear of the vehicle. This is particularly useful for drivers who need to access the trunk or hatchback while the bikes are loaded. The tilt function is smooth and can be operated with one hand, making it a convenient option for those on the go. In terms of design, the CyberRack E2 offers a sleek and modern aesthetic that is visually appealing. The black powder coat finish not only adds to its durability but also gives it a stylish appearance that will complement most vehicles. The compact design of the rack, when not in use, allows it to be folded down easily, reducing the amount of space it takes up when stored. However, it's worth noting that, despite its many advantages, the CyberRack E2 is not without its minor drawbacks. Some users may find the assembly instructions a bit lacking. While the installation itself is straightforward, a more detailed manual could have made the process even smoother for first-time users. Additionally, while the ramp is a fantastic addition, some users have mentioned it could be slightly wider for added stability when loading heavier bikes. Overall, the CyberRack E2 Hitch 2 bike rack for car is an excellent investment for bikers who need a reliable and versatile bike rack that can handle both regular bicycles and e-bikes. With its durable construction, innovative loading ramp, and user-friendly design, it addresses many common concerns associated with transporting bikes. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, commuting to work with your bike, or simply enjoy cycling with friends, the CyberRack E2 provides peace of mind that your bikes are securely and safely transported. Its balanced combination of functionality, design, and ease of use makes it a top choice among bike